How to fix common error in HBO Max. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix common error in HBO Max. So to fix common error on HBO Max, you could go with the basic troubleshooting steps first of all. That means you want to go ahead and check your internet connection first thing, as sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity. So open up settings onto your device or and go to network and internet. Here comes the SIM, or you just want to go to network, and over here what you want to do is make sure to refresh or restart your router. That should be able to help as well. Now next, while you're on this section, what you also want to do is you just want to locate apps from the list, locate HBO Max, and you could also force stop the app for a second and go to storage and cache and click on clear cache. That might also be able to help. If that is also not working out, you also want to restart your device. First thing, you want to close all the background running app onto your device, hold on to your side button and then click on the reset button and wait for it to completely open up. That should be able to fix as well. Now that you've done all these steps and nothing works, you could also check for an update as sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So go to your respective app store, type in HBO on the search bar and locate whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the app has to be updated, then it can actually fix some of the temporary glitch. So this is how you should be able to fix common error in HBO Max. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.